Hi guys, you are watching my channel iTech Destination, and today in this video I am going to review this Foladion Smart Essential Oil Diffuser. Here you can see its complete look. It has a very unique and antique look of vessel shape. Okay, this part can be separated like this. It has a cap. Okay, and here you have to pour the water and the scent. It has a 300 ml capacity and there are few buttons to control it. At the bottom of this base here is a 13-watt charger pin. Okay, the charger is also come with this product. Here is the charger of this product. Here you can see, just you have to plug it. Now I am going to start it so you can see how it functions. To start the diffuser, place the pin at the bottom of the base like this. Here you can see, you have to place the pin here. Okay, the diffuser is on. You can hear the beep. Now you have to pour the water in that container. Make sure that the water is up to the level, otherwise the diffuser will not make the mist properly. Now I am going to pour the water. You have to pour the water in the container like this. Make sure that the water is up to the level. After adding the water, you have to add some few drops of the scent. You can use any type of the scent. Here I am using that ether. Okay, you have to add just few drops of it. Be careful, not more. Okay, 3 to 5 drops. After adding the water and the scent few drops in that container, you have to place that cap on it like this. Now I will tell you how this diffuser works. After plugging the base, you have to press this button. Okay, when you press that button one time, here you can say it is set to 1 hour and the mist is start coming out of the nozzle. Here you can see. Okay, when you press that button again, it will set to 3 hours. It means that the diffuser will work for 3 hours and then stop. And here is the 6 hours option and then continuous. On that option it will work continuously. From here you can change the lightning mode. Okay, when you press that once, it will set to the continuously changing mode. In that mode the light will continuously changing. Here you can see the lights are continuously changing its color. When you press that button again, it will manually change its color. You have to press it again. Here you can see the color is changing manually. Okay, if you want to set it to continuously changing, again press it for few seconds, the lights will off, and when you press it again, it will again set to the continuously changing mode. From that button, here you can see, from here you can set the intensity of the mist coming out of the nozzle. When you press that for few seconds, when it beep for the 2 times, it means the mist is set to the weak intensity. When you press it again and it beeps for 1 time, it means that the mist is set to the high intensity. Okay, here you can see the mist, more mist is coming out of the nozzle. When you press it again, it will beep for the 2 times and the intensity of the mist coming out of the nozzle will slows. From that button you can shut it off. Okay, like this. Now I am going to tell you some of its important features. It has a human inductor sensor, human induction sensor. When a human is within the 3 meters range of it, it will automatically on and the mist will start coming out of the nozzle. Okay, if there is any hindrance in that product and you, then it will not work. Okay, make sure that there will be no hindrance between the diffuser and you, and when the person is within the 3 meters range, it will automatically start. And it has also a security function. If the water in the base is not up to the level, the mist will stop coming out and the diffuser will shut down automatically. And if you want to clean that diffuser, because with the passage of the time, I can show you, with the passage of the time, its base will get stained because of the water, salty water and the scent ingredients. So if you want to clean it, you have to just pour some vinegar in that base for the few hours, and then after it you have to thoroughly wash it. No need to add different chemicals to clean it. Okay, that's all from my side. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can watch the new videos on time.